how I take care of my hair after a shower, and what product I use to my hair to avoid damaging my hair. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Christine and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Alright, on today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I take care of my hair. Excuse me, hinihingal ako. After a shower, I make sure my hair is taken care of, especially when I live here in the dry place. I live in Colorado. It's dry here. Everything is dry, even your skin, your lips. My lips sometimes is super dry. I don't know why, because I don't know. It's always dry, and my hair. That's my problem. I don't have problem my hair before when I was in the Philippines. I just use shampoo and that's it. But now that I'm here in Colorado, my hair gets super dry and like, you know, those, I don't know how do you call it in English, frizzy, something like that. We call it in Tagalog buhaghag. And yeah. Alright, let's move on to the first product that I put onto my hair after I shower. Even my hair is still wet, so I put this product right away to my hair just to make sure my hair get moisturized. So this is the product that I use every day after I shower. So I put this cream. This is Amica. This is a leave-in conditioner. So I put this cream to my hair right away after a shower. Even my hair is still wet, so this is really good hair product. And if you want to check it out, you can find it in Amazon. I researched and they do have it in Amazon if you want to check this out. And if you're curious, if you want to try it onto your hair, highly recommended leave-in conditioner to hair. Super nice product. So yeah, I just put it on my hair, all over my hair. Even my hair is still wet, I put it right away to like give moisturize to my hair. And this cream is make your hair shiny too and soft. Let's move on to the next product that I use again after shower. After I put the leave-in conditioner to my hair, I always use anti-frizz hair serum. So this is I use every day. This is the Garnier Fructus Slick and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. So I use this every day too after I put those leave-in conditioner cream onto my hair, and then follow this oil serum to put it onto my hair too. Even my hair is still wet, I put it onto my hair. I love this hair serum. This is super nice hair serum, make my hair moisturize as well. And then this is frizzy, dry, undamageable hair. So it helped my hair not frizzy all day. So I love it. Love this Garnier hair serum. Alright, the last hair product that I use, I don't use it all the time. I only use it if I don't wanna go out with my hair wet, because sometimes it's cold, it's snowing. I don't wanna go outside with wet hair, make me cold. So this is the heat protection cream. For me, I blow dry my hair sometimes, not every day, sometimes. So I use this one. And also if I hair straighten my hair, so I use this one to help my hair protect, not damaging for heat. So I use this one. This is cream too, and even my hair is still wet, so I apply it again to my hair. If you love straightening your hair or blow dry your hair, make sure you use any kind of heat protection cream just not like just to avoid damaging your hair. So I use this all the time when I straighten my hair or I blow dry my hair to make sure my hair is not damaging for heat. Alright everyone, these are the 3 products that I use for my hair every day after I shower, just to make sure my hair taking care of, avoiding damaging my hair and not super dry at all and not frizzy too, because sometimes before I blow dry my hair or I straighten my hair, you know that you can see some of your hair like sticking out, like frizzy. I don't know how to call that, but yeah, I experienced that and I don't like it, like static. Sometimes I do have static on my hair, like sticking out my hair, so I don't like that. So these are the 3 products that I use for my hair, extra taking care for my hair. And yeah, alright everyone, that's it for today's video, how to take care of my hair every day. And if you want to try all of these products to your hair too, go ahead, highly recommended. It help your hair, moisturize your hair, shiny, and avoid damaging your hair. So again, that's it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Bye everyone for now. See you on my next video. Bye.